How to fix a small screen on YouTube TV. If YouTube TV appears in a small screen or doesn't fill your TV screen, you can fix this by adjusting settings on the YouTube app or your TV. Follow these steps. Step 1. Adjust YouTube playback settings. Play a video, open YouTube TV, and play any video. Enable full screen. Use your remote to select the full screen icon, usually a square with arrows pointing outward, in the video player. Zoom option, if available. Check the YouTube app settings for a zoom option and enable it. Step 2. Adjust your TV's aspect ratio. Open TV settings. Press the menu or settings button on your TV remote. Find picture settings. Navigate to picture aspect ratio or screen format. Select the correct aspect ratio. Choose 16:9, fit to screen, or wide to ensure the video fills the entire screen. Disable overscan. If your TV has an overscan option, make sure it is turned off for accurate screen scaling. Step 3. Restart YouTube TV. Close and reopen the app. Exit the YouTube TV app completely and reopen it. Restart your TV. Turn off your TV, unplug it for 30 seconds, and then power it back on. Step 4. Use the zoom function on your TV. Access TV picture settings. Go to Settings Picture or similar menu. Choose Zoom or Stretch. Select a zoom or stretch option to expand the video to fit the screen. Step 5. Check device output resolution. Streaming device. If you are using a device like Chromecast or Roku, ensure its output resolution is set to match your TV's. For example, 1080p or 4K. Adjust resolution. On your streaming device, navigate to Settings Display Resolution and select the appropriate setting. Step 6. Update the YouTube app and TV firmware. Update YouTube app. Go to your TV's app store, search for YouTube, and update it if needed. Update TV firmware. Navigate to Settings, Support Software Update, and ensure your TV is running the latest firmware. Step 7. Reset YouTube TV settings. Reinstall the app. Uninstall and reinstall the YouTube TV app on your smart TV. Log in. Again, sign back into your YouTube TV account and play a video to check if the issue is resolved. These steps should help fix the small screen issue on YouTube TV, ensuring the video fills your entire TV screen.